First time I done my gold leaves experiment in my last video. After that experiment I decided to make more videos on that technique. So this one is the second video of my experiment. I made this video in two parts. Before I start today's video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I always try to make my video in very simple and easy way. In this video I will use two stencils, one bird on wire and second one is circle. Let's make the stencil. I draw the birds on the paper and paste the paper on hard chart paper. Cut the birds with paper cutter. I will use both stencils, one in my this video and the other one in second video. I am painting my background in red, yellow, orange color. Make sure before painting wet your fabric with water and then apply the silk paints. Blend all the colors nicely and let it dry. My fabric is completely dry now. I have done my drawing on the silk. Now apply the gutta on the drawing lines. I am using black gutta. You can use any other colored gutta. Paint the tree in deep red or maroon color. After painting, let it dry and remove it from the wooden frame. Place the stencil over the fabric and apply the fabric glue on the stencil. Before starting the work, I had laid a piece of cloth over the drawing board and then put the silk on top of it. Apply the glue over the stencil with sponge. Remove the stencil and place the gold leaf and press with any plain paper. Let the glue completely dry. Leave the fabric over the night. Remove the remaining gold leaf with toothbrush. Place the second stencil and draw the circle with the pencil. Make the outline of the circle with Gutta. You can use any colored Gutta according to your painting. When the Gutta dries, paint the sun with red and maroon paint and let it dry. My small painting is complete now. I will show you my painting after it is framed. You can use this method in many ways. Do not forget to share your precious opinion and suggestions with me and share this video with your friends. Subscribe the channel before you go and press the bell icon if you want to watch my upcoming videos. Stay safe, stay happy, goodbye.